Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher. Today, let us revise what we have learned in our previous class. What is the name of the lesson? Tia's Scrapbook. What is the lesson name? Tia's Scrapbook. In this lesson, who is Tia? Tia is a girl or a boy? Yes, Tia is a girl. She is having a book with her. What is that book called as? It is a scrapbook. What do you mean by scrapbook, students? Already I have shown in the previous class. Yes, it is a drawing book in which you can draw some pictures, you can stick some pictures, you can write in that book. So that book is called as a scrapbook. Next, she has introduced her family in her scrapbook. In the first page of her scrapbook, she has taken her photo. Her photo means who is her in this lesson? Tia. She has taken her handprints also in the first page. How you are going to get these handprints? By dipping the hands in your favorite color and put it on the paper, you are going to get your handprints. So in the first page of her scrapbook, she has stick her picture, Tia's picture and her handprints. Yes? What does Tia likes to do? She's having one hobby. What is that hobby she's having? She likes to sing and she likes to dance. Tia likes to sing and dance. Next, she has introduced her grandparents. Who are your grandparents? Grandmother and grandfather. Very good. What Tia's grandmother like to do? She likes to read books. Very good. Next, what does Tia's grandfather likes to do? He likes gardening. Very good. Next, she has introduced her parents. Who are your parents, students? Mother and father. Very good. What does Tia's mother like to do? She likes to paint. She likes to draw some picture. One who draws picture or paint the pictures, they are called as artist. So Tia's mother is an artist. What Tia's mother likes to do? She likes to paint the pictures. Tia's mother helped Tia in doing her homework. Next, Tia's father. Where he works? He works at a bank. He is called as a banker. One who works at a bank, they are called as banker. What does Tia's father like to do? He likes to bake tasty cakes for Tia. Yes, today we are going to learn about her baby brother, and Tia is also having a pet animal with her. Students, let us learn about her baby brother and the pet. Yes, this is my baby brother. Who is called as a baby brother? His elder to Tia or younger to Tia? Baby brother is big than Tia or smaller than Tia? Baby brother. So, she is having a small brother. Tia is having a small brother. So, he is called as a baby brother. Look at his handprints. She has taken baby's brother handprints also in her scrapbook. How will be his handprints? Will the handprints of the baby brother will be bigger than Tia or smaller than Tia? Yes, they'll be very small because she's having a small brother. Small brother hands will be very small, no? So, she has taken baby brother's handprints also. They are very tiny. What is the meaning of tiny? Small. Means the handprints of baby brother is very small handprints. Next, I sing rhymes for him. So Tia used to sing many rhymes what she has learned in her school. She used to sing for her baby brother. So I sing rhymes for him. Tia used to sing rhymes for her brother. Not only that one, she used to play with her baby brother. Next, this is about the baby brother. Baby brother is smaller than Tia. She has taken her handprints. How are the handprints of baby brother? They are so tiny. Tiny means small. Next, she used to sing many rhymes for him, that is baby brother. Not only that one, she used to play with her baby brother. Next, this is my pet. So Tia is having a pet animal. The pet animal is a dog. And what is the name of the dog? The name of the dog is Fluffy. What is the name of the dog, students? Fluffy. These are his paw prints. What do you mean by paw prints, students? We are having hands and legs. So animals will be having paws. What is the meaning of paw? Foot of an animals. For animals, they'll be having foot. So Tia, she has taken paw prints of Fluffy. Who is Fluffy here? Is it a cat or a dog? Yes, Tia is having a pet dog. The dog name is Fluffy. She has taken the paw prints. What do you mean by paw prints? The foot of an animal is called as a paw prints. This is about the baby brother. Next, this is about the pet animal, that is about the dog. The dog name is Fluffy. She has taken the paw prints in her scrapbook. This is all about the Tia's family. Tia, grandmother, grandfather. They both are called as grandparents. Next, she has introduced her parents. Who are your parents? Mother and father. Next, she has introduced her baby brother and she has even introduced a pet animal. Now, my parents, grandparents and Fluffy are my family. So Tia is saying the grandparents, grandmother and grandfather, mother, father, brother and a pet animal, that is a Fluffy. The complete is her family. So in Tia's family, how many members are there? Tia, baby brother, grandmother, grandfather, mother, father and baby brother. So they are all Tia's family. So in your family also you are having your brother, sister, grandmother, grandparents, parents. Yes, children? Yes. So this is about Tia's family. Understand? Yes, students? Now, we are going to learn the meanings from this lesson, that is tiny. Just now we have seen that the baby brother handprints are very tiny. What is the meaning of tiny? Small. Next, paws. Paw prints. The foot of an animal. So Tia has taken the paw prints of the dog. So what do you mean by paw prints? The foot of an animal. They are called as paw prints. Spell the word paw. P-A-W. Paw. Next, tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. Next, have you understand the lesson clearly, students? Now we are going to do the match the following, which is based on the lesson itself. Tia. What does Tia likes to do? We have already learned in the lesson. Tia loves to paint? No. Tia loves to sing and dance. Yes, Tia likes to sing and dance. Next, Tia's mother. What Tia's mother likes to do? She loves to paint. Yes, she loves to paint. She is an artist. Tia's mother is an artist. The person who paints or draws some pictures, they are called as an artist. So, Tia's mother loves to paint. Next, Tia's father. Tia's father loves gardening, students? No. What he loves? He loves to bake tasty cakes. So, Tia's father loves to bake cake. Next, Tia's grandfather. What Tia's grandfather loves to do? He loves gardening. What do you mean by gardening, students? Planting small plants in your garden. I said you example also, your mother will be planting small plants, that is rose plants, chili plants, tomato plants. That is a small garden of yourself. So, Tia is also having a garden. Tia's garden used to look after by her grandfather. So, Tia's grandfather loves gardening. Is it clear, student, this match of following? This match of following is completely based on the lesson itself. If you have understand the lesson, you can do this match of following simple. Next, tick the correct option. They have given the question and they given the option for you. What is the correct option you have to choose from the given option? First one, Tia's mother helps her with singing or lessons. Tia's mother helps her with singing. Tia's mother used to help her with singing? No, she used to help her with lessons. What do you mean by lessons? During her homework, her mother used to help Tia. So, tick the option lessons. Next, second one. Tia's father works at a school or a bank? Yes, Tia's father, he works at a bank. Next, Tia has a pet. Tia is having a pet animal, no? She is having a pet cat or a pet dog. Just now we have seen here. She is having a pet dog. The name of the dog is Fluffy. So, she is having a pet dog. Next, Tia likes to play with friends or brother. In her scrapbook, did she mention her friends? Is she having any friends? No, she is not having friends in her scrapbook, but she is having a small baby brother. So, Tia likes to play with baby brother. Is it clear, students? This match the following meanings and take the correct option. Yes, do this homework. Thank you.